everybody, my name is Nisha. Today I'm going to try KFC, and there are two things. I will try popcorn and these chicken wings. They're spicy ones. And I'm going to try it with the world's hottest ghost pepper powder. So this is going to be a fun day. Okay, so I'm going to show you the chilies and the ghost pepper. So how much Scoville units this is, okay? So these are the chilies, the home chilies one. There are 10,000 Scoville, okay? I'm so silly. And this ghost pepper is way hotter than this one because this one is 1,000,000 won. So this is gonna be a blasted. Da, da, da. Okay, now let's eat. Alright. Spicy chicken wings. Yummy, yummy. Ooh. It looks kind of spicy, but pretty good at the same time. This is the boneless one, and this is the wings. Okay, this is so much spicy. Okay guys, now I will try 4 of them, and now my brother is gonna put the ghost pepper, okay? The ghost pepper powder, okay?
Hello everyone, I'm going to put the ghost pepper powder on these wings.
Don't put too much, please.
I'm going to put too much. Okay, I'll put a little bit, okay?
Okay. He's a devil, guys. He's a devil.
I'm a devil.
Yes, you are a devil because you also make me embarrassed.
Oh.
So yeah, he's the devil. You guys. He's the devil and whatever.
Best of luck.
Okay. And you go away and I don't eat my wings anymore.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, bye. Alright, so he's got away. Alright, he's a devil. He's just a devil and whatever. Alright, so I'm gonna try. Which one do I try? The boneless or the wings? Let's try boneless. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so spicy. So spicy. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is too hot. No. Open the ice cream. Open the ice cream. Okay, go. Okay, now get it. It feels so much better.
Try that one. Try that one, the drumstick.
I don't want to try the dummy one.
No. Try the drumstick.
Fine. Whatever. He's the devil, guys. Oh my gosh. My My lips are burning, you guys. Seriously, my lips are burning it. Guys, you guys, my lips are so burning. Like, it's like scratching my lips. Whatever. Like it's like splitting a half. Like, that's so weird. Ouch. Ah. Ouch. My teeth are tingled. Oh my gosh. Lips are still burning. I don't know why. Maybe it's because the ghost pepper did it. You bad ghost pepper. I hate you so much. This ice cream is making me feel a little better, a little bit. You don't know what everything it is for the ice cream. This is so hot. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh, this is so spicy. Oh my gosh. Everything is burning. Like, this is so spicy. Oh my god. Like, everything is burning. Like, out, out, out. Okay, guys. I can't finish this. No way, I can't finish this. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button so you never miss another video. Okay? Bye! You guys.